is Giovanni's. There's a shrimp, 35 bucks. 2 shrimp, 2 sodas, 35. Soda and the shrimp, 35. They're at Giovanni's, North Shore. So we're here. We have the ocean view room on the Diamond Head side of the aqua palms today. It's another beautiful day in Hawaii. Yes, they call it Diamond Head, which is over there. So that's Diamond Head in that direction, which is right there. Or no, it's right there it is. And Goofy's is right down there. Okay, so there's Goofy's. Alright, so there is the, what do you call that?
Kalua pork.
Kalua pork.
Benny.
So that's the Loco Moco with the gravy and 2 eggs. So here's the Loco Moco. So I have this Loco Moco here. Loco Moco. Here comes the Maid of the Mist. So we're here on the beach at Waikiki. So it looks like the film. Just looking out. So yeah, lucky out. Waiting for Uber. 19 bucks. Put that thing on there. Lucky out. Wow. It's the lucky out. Wow. Looks like Philippines here.